Hello grade 3
Hello grade 3, this is Mr. Adam.
and Mr. Long.
Today we're going to study maths. Hope you're ready?
Let's do it.
Let's go. Okay, today is Thursday, the 27th of February 2020. We're going to study maths grade 3, rounding to the nearest hundred. Rounding to the nearest hundred. Here we have a number line. It goes from 390 to 500. Okay, so we're going to practice rounding now. Which numbers between 400 and 500, that's all the numbers here, apart from 390. Okay, between 400 here, all of these up to 500. Which numbers between 400 and 500 are closer to 400 than to 500? So, which ones are closer to 400? Okay, and next we will do which numbers are closer to 500. So let's start with the first question. Which numbers are closer to 400? So let's look at our numbers. We have 400, 410, 420, 430, 440, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 500. Is 490 closer to 400 or 500? That's right, 490 close to 500. Which ones are closer to 400? Okay, we need to look at the tens. How many tens? 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. Let's see which numbers are closer to 400. 410, 420, well done. And 430, do you think this is closer to 400? That's right, well done. And how about 440? Do you think it's closer to 400? Yes, that's right, 440. Look here, we have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens and 4 tens. Now we'll do the next question. We need to find the numbers which are closer to 500 than 400. So which ones are closer to 500? We know these ones are closer to 400. Which ones are closer to 500? That's right, 490 is closer to 500. Do you know the next one? 480, next one, 470, 460 and 450. This is in the middle, but we round 50, 5, we round 5 up. So 450. Okay, well done. Let's move on to the next one. Rounding to the nearest hundred. So we are still rounding to the nearest hundred, but now our numbers have 1,000 as well. Okay, so you see here our number line. We have 2,400 going up to 2,500. Each number is 10 more. Okay, so this time we need to find which numbers between 2,400 2,500 are closer to 2,400. Where's 2,400? That's right here. And which numbers are closer to 2,500? 2,500 is here. Okay, so we're going to do this the same as last time. Which numbers are closer to 2,400? 2,400 here. Can you tell me the first one? Very good, 2,410. And what about the next one? Very good. 2,420. Next one. 2,430 and 2,440. Remember, same as last time. We have 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s and 4 10s. And we round down. If it's 4, 3, 2 or 1, we round down. So which ones are closer to 2,500? Let's begin. 2,490. Next one. 2,480. Next one. 2,470. Next one. 2,460. And last one, remember 5 we round up. So we also have 2,450. We have 5 10s, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 we round up. 1, 2, 3, 4 we round down. Okay, so let's read this bit together. Numbers closer to 2,400 are rounded down to 2,400 when we round to the nearest hundred. And those numbers closer to 2,500 are rounded up to 2,500. That just means if the number on the number line is closer to 2,400, we round down, and if it's closer to 2,500, we round up. For example, 2,412, let's look, 2,412 would be here, and it's much closer to 2,400, so we round down. 2,429, so 29 would be here, and it's closer to 2,400, so again we round down. Here we have 2,478, so that would be here, and you see it's much closer to 2,500, so we round up. And one more, 2,490 right here, very close to 2,500, so we round up.
Rồi, ở đây chúng ta thấy đây là một dãy các con số, thì chúng ta có thể thấy là những số mà như thầy Adam đã nói, những số mà gần với số 2.400 hơn, như là số 2.410, 2.420, 2.430, 2.440 thì là những số gần với số 2.400 hơn. Vì khi làm tròn, chúng ta sẽ làm tròn xuống số 2.400. Ta có ví dụ này, 2.412 thì nó sẽ nằm ở vị trí này. Vì nó gần số 2.400, vì thế ta sẽ làm tròn nó xuống thành 2.400. Tương tự như những số này cũng thế. Như số này 2.490 ở khúc này, vậy thì nó sẽ gần với số 2.500 hơn, vì thế ta sẽ làm tròn lên thành 2.500. Nhớ, gần với 2.400 thì sẽ làm xuống 2.400, và gần với 2.500 làm tròn lên 2.500. Ok.
Well done. Let's move on. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. When you are rounding to the nearest hundred, look at the tens digit of the number. Okay, so if the tens digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then the hundreds digit does not change. You are rounding down. So if the tens is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, we round down. If the tens digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then the hundreds digit increases by 1. This means goes up 1. And you are rounding up. Remember? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we round up. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we round down. Okay, well done. Whether you round up or down, all of the digits after the hundreds digit, which is the tens and ones, go to 0. Okay, I will show you with some examples. Examples. Can you read this number? Well done. 6,728. We're going to round to 100. So here, you can see our hundreds digit is 7. We have 7 hundreds. Next thing we do, remember, we look at the tens. The tens is next to the hundreds, on the right side. How many tens do we have? 2. Do we round 2 up or do we round 2 down? Can you tell me the answer? Well done. We round 2 down. So we have 6,700 and that's it. Remember the digits after the hundreds go to 0. You see, 28 is now 0, 0. Okay, let's do some more examples. Well done. Oh, our new number, 7,049. Can you find the hundreds digit? Well done. 0. There's no hundreds. And now we need to look to the right at the tens. How many tens do we have? 4. Very good. 4 tens. Now you tell me, do we round 4 up or down? Can you do it by yourself? Very good. If you round it down, we round down to 7,000. No hundreds, no tens, no ones. Well done. Let's try another number. Okay, so can you find the hundreds? Well done. Again, we have 0 hundreds, no hundreds. Next, we look at the tens on the right hand side. So here we go. Next to the hundreds are the tens. We have 5 tens. Now we round 2 down, 4 down. What about 5? Do we round 5 up or down? Let's see. Up. Well done. Remember 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We round up. So we round up to 100. The hundreds goes up 1 to 100. 6,100. You're doing very good. Let's do one more. Can you read the number for me? Very good. 2,176. So first we need to find the hundreds. Well done. We have 100. Next we find the tens, which is next to the hundreds. How many tens do we have? 7. Now I think you know this one. Do we round 7 up or down? Up, that's right. So we will have, instead of 100, we will have 200s. Very good. Okay, 7, we round up, and we have an extra 100.
Rồi, ở đây chúng ta có ví dụ như số 6.728 thì đầu tiên muốn làm tròn số hàng trăm gần nhất, nearest hundred, thì ở đây số hàng trăm mà ta có là số 7. Và muốn làm tròn số hàng trăm thì mình phải xem số ngay bên phải của số hàng trăm, đó chính là số hàng chục, và ở đây ta có số 2. Rồi, như thầy Adam đã nói thì từ số 0, 1, 2, 3 hoặc là 4 thì chúng ta sẽ làm tròn, đúng rồi, làm tròn xuống. Và khi làm tròn xuống thì ta sẽ giữ nguyên số hàng trăm, có nghĩa là ta giữ nguyên số 7 và những số còn lại sẽ trở thành số 0. Tương tự như ví dụ này cũng vậy. Ở đây có số hàng trăm là số 0, thì muốn làm tròn số hàng trăm thì mình phải xem số ngay bên phải là số hàng chục là số 4. Rồi số 4 thì cũng nằm trong các số như 0, 1, 2, 3 và 4. Vì thế chúng ta vẫn làm tròn xuống. Vì thế số hàng trăm vẫn giữ nguyên và số hàng chục và hàng đơn vị về 0. Ở trường hợp này thầy có số 0, là số hàng trăm và số 5. Rồi từ số 5, số 6, số 7, số 8 và số 9 thì chúng ta sẽ làm tròn lên. Vì thế số hàng trăm sẽ tăng lên 1. Đây, từ 0 lên 1. Và những số còn lại, chục và đơn vị thì sẽ về số 0. Bên đây cũng vậy. Bên đây thì có số hàng trăm là 1 và số hàng chục là 7. Và chúng ta sẽ làm tròn lên, đúng rồi. Làm tròn lên thì số 1 sẽ trở thành số 2 và hai số còn lại, số hàng chục và số hàng đơn vị sẽ trở về 0. Ok.
Well done, students. Let's move on. Now, can you get your maths book, please, and go to page 26. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1, practice. Number 1, mark the numbers as dots on the number line. Approximately. This means it does not have to be perfect, but if it's close, it's okay. Okay. Mark the numbers as dots on the number line and round them to either 800 or 900. Okay, so we'll do some examples together so you understand. So let's look at A. Our first number is 804. First thing we need to do is we need to put a dot on the number line for 804. Can you find where it would be in the number line? Okay, let me show you. Just here. Well done. 800, just 4 ones right here. Next we round to either 800 or 900. So do we round 804 to 800 or 900? Which one is it closer to? That's right, 800, well done. Next one, 859. We'll put this on our number line. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 59. So 59 will be very close to 60. There we go. Now, do we round 859 up or down? Do we round, we have 5 tens, do we round 5 tens up or down? Well done, that's right, we round it up. Okay, B. What number do we have? Well done, 825. So can you mark 825 on your number line, please? Well done. In the middle of 820 and 830. Now, do we round it up or down? We have 2 tens. Do we round it up or down? Down. Well done. Next one, 850. Can you mark this on your number line? And well done. This one's easy because it says right here. But do we round 50 up or down? So we have 5 tens. Do we round 5 up or down? Well done, that's right. We always round 5 up. Very good. Remember to put all of the dots and do all of the work in your book. C, D, and E are for you to do for homework. Okay, let's move on. Question 2. Round these numbers to the nearest 100. Okay, so A, we have 4 hundreds, 110, and 6 ones, 416. So we have 110. Do we round up or down? Down, that's right, well done. Okay, I want you to do the rest of A and B by yourself, please, and we'll check together in 20 seconds. Have you finished? Well done. Let's check our answers. Okay, so 437. We have 3 tens, so we round it down. B, 482. 8 tens, so we round it up. 367, we have 6 tens, so we round it up. Well done. Remember to write the answers in your book, and C, D and E I want you to do by yourself for homework. Okay, our homework will be to finish exercise 1 and exercise 2, C, D and E. Alright. Be careful. Let's read together. The tens digit is 5. So the hundreds, 9, increases by 1 to 10 hundreds. But we can't change 9 to 10. It would make 41,052. So let's take a look. Our number is 4,952. We have 4,000s, 900s, 5 tens and 2 ones. So 5 tens we round up. But do we make 9 into 10? Do you know what to do? We can't make 9 into 10 because then we will get 41,000. We carry the 1 over and we make the thousands into 5. We can think of this as 4,900 is like 49 hundredths. If we have one more 100, it's like 49 plus 1. 49 plus 1 is 50. Okay, let's read together. Instead, carry those 10 hundredths to the thousands, so that the thousands digit is incremented by 1. It is as if 49 changes to 50. Okay, you see here? For 9, we change to 50. Okay, very good.
Rồi, ở đây chúng ta cần phải lưu ý đó là khi mà chúng ta có con số như 4.952 thì ở đây số hàng trăm là số 9 và số ngay bên phải là số hàng chục là số 5. Vì thế chúng ta sẽ làm tròn lên. Và nếu chúng ta làm tròn lên thì số 9 cộng 1 thì sẽ trở thành số 10 và chúng ta sẽ có số 41.052. Vậy là sai, không được. Thì ở đây chúng ta cần phải biến số 49 này mình hãy coi như số 49 này là 4900, và khi chúng ta tăng 1 thì 49 cộng 1 sẽ lên là 50. Chúng ta sẽ biến số 49 riêng ra, tách riêng ra và cộng thêm 1, vì chúng ta là đang làm tròn lên mà, thì cộng thêm 1 sẽ 49 cộng 1 sẽ trở thành 50. Ở đây ta có 4.952 sẽ làm tròn lên thành 5.000. Okay.
Very good. Let's move on. Okay. Practice. Question 3. Would these numbers be rounded up or down when rounded to the nearest hundred? So we are on page 27 now. So A, how many tens do we have? 4. So do we round 4 up or down? Down. Well done. We'll do B together and do C and D by yourself. So look at the tens. We have 8 tens. Do we round 8 up or down? Up. Well done. And do C and D by yourself and we will check together. Are you ready? Okay. 2,405. We have no tens, 0 tens, so we round down. And D, we have 5 tens. 5 tens, 2,550. 5 tens, we round 5 up. Remember to write the answers in your book. Okay, let's go to question 4. Round these numbers to the nearest hundred. Okay, let's do question A. 578. Can you find the tens? Well done. 7 tens. 7 goes up. Well done. We round up to 600. Okay, B. 2,264. We have 6 tens, so we round up. Well done. And remember, the digits after the 100 are zeros. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, C and D, please do by yourself, and we'll check in 1 minute. Have you finished? Well done, let's check C. So, how many tens? 1 10. And do we round 1 up or down? Down, well done. Down to 1,800. And the next one, remember, we only need to look at the tens digit. So we have 6 tens, we round 6, up to 5,600. Very good. Okay, remember, homework for this lesson is to finish exercises 3 and 4. And thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Remember to review, revise, and finish your homework. Okay, see you again soon.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.